Alright, so we're going ahead. This is the Fishing Gardeners. Good morning. And we're putting our Pakistani Mulberry down here. As you can see, this is the one that I took as a clipping off of the original Pakistani Mulberry. Took a very tiny clipping. It was about this size from here to here. And just within a matter of almost, I'll say 3 months, it grew to this right here. So this is going to be a nice shade tree, and we decided to put it more toward the front of our garden. The Pakistani mulberry tree is a very fast growing mulberry tree, so I would not suggest you grow it in pots. We are placing it down in the ground. It started off in a 3-gallon pot, went to a 5-gallon pot, and excuse the noise from up above, and from a 5-gallon pot down to the ground because they grow too quickly. So we're going to go ahead and place this one in the ground. And again, this was from our cutting from our original Pakistani mulberry tree. This is how you can use your own fruit trees to grow more of your own fruit trees. Didn't have to pay for it or nothing. You just went ahead and took a clipping, put it in the pot, it grew, and now we're placing it in the ground. So we have a couple of trees like that in our backyard garden. And this husband doing the job right here. This is her new spot where she's going to be. Okay, so that's just with another tree that we're trying in the ground. They seem like it could handle a mixture of soil in Florida's sandy areas pretty well. It's not too finicky about the soil and the sand. So since the mother tree did very good, this one will do just as great. Okay, this is going to be a short video. Hopefully you like this content. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can receive our videos every time we download them each and every week. And have a blessed day. Goodbye.